Hello everybody, Board Nerd here. I'm gonna show y'all a connection, how the Xtool D8 connects to a Pontiac G8. It was giving me some issues when I went to connect. It kept on, when I hit auto scan, it wouldn't go and pull up like a G8 or a Pontiac. It kept going to a Holden car. I really don't know what that is. Must be from another country. But eventually I did it manually going through America, and it pulled up. Well, I had to enter everything, but it did work. It didn't really connect that great to that car. I tried multiple things to see what it'd go into. You'll see it in the video as I'm just going around and trying different things. To the friend of mine that I scanned that car for, be very happy you didn't buy it. That car, words cannot express the smell in that car, number one. Number two, the only thing that car had going for it was that engine sounded good. Other than that, it was a rag. A dirty old shop rag that was used to clean a really dirty toilet is the best way to describe that car. That's why I'm having to talk into the video with my microphone, not through the phone or through the GoPro, because I had to have the door open, both doors. It was pretty ranchy in that car. But yeah, so enjoy the video. You'll see I tried different things, and it connected, but it was giving me some issues to try to get the exact ECM miles, and it was also giving me the auto scan. It was not connecting very easy. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm out. Just watch the video. You'll see my fingers moving around, trying different things, and moving the camera around to show how the car was pretty funky.